We're back to watching Sky Cable News. In other news, the Disasters, Emergency and Land Traffic Assistance or DELTACOM around Northern Luzon welcomes their new members as they encourage people to volunteer and be part of saving lives in emergency situations.
DELTACOM. We often see them during big events in the city like Banagbana Festival, but we know few things about them. After the deadly 1990 earthquake, the zigzag-based Baguio Benguet chapter had officially become the member of the DELTACOM, a little group of communicators using radios in saving lives, but joining the group entails a lot of difficulties and sacrifices for the spirit of volunteerism and civic consciousness.
I could say na talagang yung awareness ng mga tao, so dumadami ang members namin. From siguro noon, nung nag-lay low sila because of the advent of the cell phones, so ngayon, nasa more or less, nasa 600 na kami ulit.
We will be upgrading this year our group into mountain search and rescue. So that's our goal for this year. Yung kaming mga rescue equipment, kasi naka-link din kami sa, actually yung MOA namin sa OCD, meron kami. And meron din kaming ambulance. And yung disaster rescue seminars, may equipment din kami.
DELTACOM, as our public servants, gives community assistance in times of disasters and other emergencies in the areas of rescue and relief operations, information gathering and dissemination, land traffic management, and crowd control.
You know, I've been here for so long. I am only the one who is a member for more than 10 years already. But then, I don't know, I can't encourage girls really to come with us. Kasi alam mo ba, it depends upon the heart. If the heart is really for services, so they can come with us. But if they are not, so they can't.
Number one na aim ko rito is to help people, to serve, lahat ng magandang oportunidad na makakatulong tayo sa ating kapwa ay ibibigay natin para sa kanila. Yeah. Actually, with regards to time, when helping people, talagang hindi mo na panghihinayangan ang oras mo. Talagang it's very valuable to you na makatulong sa kapwa.
Being recognized as a member of DELTACOM is a noble deed for the countrymen. With no payment at all, DELTACOM remains to be a big family, performing their duties with no regrets but genuine public service.
Kung iba dyan na gustong tumulong na walang hinihintay na kapalit, you just, you want to help, you join us, or if you need help, you call us.
Yung feeling na fulfillment, makatulong ka sa community, sa mga in times of disasters and land traffic, yun ang aim namin to render service.
During disaster rescue, we can react. Yun ay mga basta kailangan ng emergencies, we can also tawag lang kayo sa amin. Our motto, ma'am, is if you want to help, join us, and you need help, call us. So based on our motto, so you can serve more people.
Kasi, yung volunteerism talaga is within the heart. Kung gusto mo talaga makatulong sa kapwa mo, ibang feeling na pag nakatulong ka, gratifying. Kahit na hindi ka nga binabayaran, at least yung alam mo na nakatulong ka sa tao, it's more than enough na reward.